I'm Janet Ewald. I'm from Ellington. Our house was built in 2002 and it was time to replace the roof. It was the original roof and we just wanted to replace it before we had any real damage. My parents used Klaus Larsen last year to replace their roof and recommended them highly, so I knew that I was going with a quality contractor. And when I met with them, we met with Greg, the salesperson. He was fantastic. He was very patient with my questions. It was fairly easy to make the appointment. I was afraid that we were going to have to wait for a significant period of time to get somebody out here to look at it, but it was very quick, and they arrived on time. It was great. Diego was fantastic on the day of the install. Showed up, spoke to my husband and I for quite a bit about what the project was going to entail, how long, who was going to be here, what the operations were going to look like. They showed up on time, answered any questions, and the install went great. It went in one day, which is exactly what we hoped, and did both projects. We had not only the roof of our house, but also the roof of our gazebo done, and they were able to install it in one day and did a beautiful job. At the end of the day, we were just really happy with how it came out. It was a low-pressure sales, which was important to us, although Greg was great about helping with feedback about what we were selecting. And at the end of the day, I don't think we could have made a better choice. I would absolutely refer folks to Klaus Larsen. Again, the quality is very important to me, but also the installation methods and, safety on the job site, and all of that was top notch.